Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Buffer to build a cohesive brand content calendar step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Buffer account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your posts. Select the social media accounts you want to include in your content calendar. Choose the Publishing tab from the menu options. Click on Calendar to access your brand content scheduling interface. Identify the dates you wish to schedule content for. Create a new post by clicking on the designated date within the calendar. Draft your content by adding the text, images, or videos you want to share. Ensure to include relevant hashtags and mentions to increase engagement. Review the post to ensure it aligns with your brand messaging and goals. Once you are satisfied with the content, select the appropriate time for publication. You can also choose to publish immediately or schedule for later. Once everything looks good, click Add to Queue to save your changes. Repeat this process for each piece of content you plan to publish. Consistently review your calendar to adjust your posting strategy as needed. Monitor engagement with each post to optimize future content. Use Buffer's analytics tools to evaluate the performance of your scheduled posts. Adjust your content calendar based on insights you gather from these analytics. This approach will help you maintain a cohesive brand presence across your social media platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.